Good morning, fourth graders. Today is Friday, March 5th. And for your must-do items today, for math, you need to work in your MT course, one lesson and or a practice page. You also need to work in your Fluency Playground and complete one lesson. Okay. If you finish that and you would still like to work in math, you can work on your flex course. You can work in Freckle, Some Dog, or Prodigy, or you can play a math game of your choice. For reading today, you need to complete the lesson for the day in Kickstand and your Wonders to-do list. You also need to read to yourself for about 30 minutes. It's going to be nice, so take a book outside and lay outside. It's going to be beautiful. Your can-dos, if you finish all that, when you finish all that and you still would like some other work to do, you can work on the games in Wonders and you can get into Epic. For writing today, we're going to do things just a little different for writing. I have a prompt that I'd like you to write to because we're just finishing up our informational essays and on South Dakota history, and I'd like us to finish those at school. So you can either use paper and pencil and write down your response to the prompt and then take a picture and upload it into our homeroom button, our homeroom course in Kickstand, or you can just open a new Google Doc and share it with me in Google Docs. But the prompt is, what would you like to do before school gets out? I'd like you to write a paragraph about something you would like to do before school gets out for the summer. It could either be something here at school that you'd like to do or learn about, or something at home, or you can choose something here at school or at home. You can do both. I don't whatever you would like to accomplish before school gets out. When you finish that and you'd still like to do some more schoolwork, there's also PE lessons, music lessons, and STEAM lessons that you can work on for the day. If you have any questions, you can message me in Kickstand or in Class Dojo. I have quite a few meetings in the morning with some things I need to do with some other teachers, but I should be open a little bit in the afternoon. So if you have any questions, just let me know. Have a great weekend, and I will see you on Monday.